And hi guys, today I have a big thing to unbox. This is OS's Team T210 solder station, and it's for professional mobile phone and advanced electronic PCB soldering station. Okay, so it's like this, the box is like this, and we get a stand, the sponge, the copper wire bowl, the zinc alloy bracket, and it uses 75 watts and 120 to 450 Celsius. Okay, we can step up those temperature in 10 by 10 steps to 40 by 40 steps. I think it has PID controlling for accurate temperature adjustments. Okay, and anti-scalding silicone pad. Okay, automatic sleep, rapid heating, 2 seconds welding, rapid temperature recovery, 3 sets of preset temperatures, intelligent temperature compensation with ultra precise temperature control. Okay, so use immediately. Okay, I'll use immediately. So let's open this up. So we agreed that with 2 boxes. Actually, I have 2 of these OS's soldering stations, and both of them are packed like this. 2 boxes. One is for the soldering iron and the machine, and the other for the stand. Okay, let's keep it apart. Let's open it up. So yeah, it's the, I've ordered 2 separate tips for it as well. It's the curved tip and the K tip. K tip means actually as the knife tip. Okay, so I get these things, and also I'm getting a tip free of charge. Free tip, yeah, here it's a free tip. This is the free tip that is provided by OS's team as well. So it's a normal tip, as you can see. Okay, we have 2 tips right here. So this is the stand. Okay, I'll open this up. You have to send the rapid guys. So in here it's a 2. It's 210, right? 210. Yeah. Sorry, T210. So this is it. This is the rubber kind of grip, and this is the control for whether to understand whether the tip is the soldering iron is on or not in the the stand or not. So if you pick it up, it will send a signal to the soldering station, and it's the soldering iron that the soldering soldering iron should start to heat up. I think that's the reason for that. So this is the 2 tips of it. It's very small, not small, not big ones, small, not small. Okay, so you can find these things. It's a sponge for this. There's it like this. Okay, so this has to be to change the tips when they are hot. You can swap it. So the other has the handle. So no, sorry, it's a power cable. It's a 2-pin power cable, but it has 3 live, neutral and ground. Okay, mighty T210 soldering, professional soldering iron. Yep. Yeah, you can see. So it's team branding T210 EST safe. I'm sorry. This knob feels really sturdy. 75 watts, made in China. Fused. That's it. Okay, I'll give you a proper video, a full review on how this performs in the next video. Oh, I've almost forgot. There's all the time. This is, I think, yeah, it's very small. It's so cute. It's very easy to grab. Very easy to grab. Very small. Okay. Bye. See you soon. Subscribe to my channel. What are you waiting for? Bye.